beautiful butterfly. In-depth discussion of butterflies. Butterflies are enchanting creatures known for their delicate beauty and graceful flight. In this in-depth discussion, we will explore the anatomy, life cycle, behavior, and ecological significance of butterflies. Anatomy. Butterflies belong to the order Lepidoptera, which also includes moths. They possess several distinctive features that set them apart. Butterflies have two pairs of large, colorful wings covered in tiny scales that give them their unique patterns and colors. These scales, which can appear as powdery or iridescent, contribute to the stunning beauty of butterflies. They have a slender body composed of three main parts: the head, thorax, and abdomen. The head houses compound eyes, a proboscis, a long, tubular mouthpart for sipping nectar, and sensory antennae. Life cycle. The life cycle of a butterfly is characterized by complete metamorphosis, consisting of 4 stages: egg, larva, caterpillar, pupa, chrysalis, and adult. The cycle begins when a female butterfly lays eggs on plants that will serve as a food source for the emerging caterpillars. After a period of time, the egg hatches, giving rise to a caterpillar. Caterpillars are voracious eaters and undergo multiple molts as they grow in size. They consume plant material to fuel their development and store energy for the next phase of their life cycle. The caterpillar molts several times, shedding its exoskeleton until it reaches its final instar. When the caterpillar reaches its final instar, it undergoes a remarkable transformation within a chrysalis or pupa. Inside this protective structure, the caterpillar's body breaks down into a liquid-like substance, and from this organic soup, but the butterfly pumps fluid into them to expand and harden. After a period of rest to allow the wings to dry and strengthen, the butterfly takes its first flight as an adult, ready to engage in its role as a pollinator and continue the life cycle. Behavior. Butterflies exhibit fascinating behaviors, both in their adult and larval stages. As adults, they engage in nectaring, visiting flowers to obtain nectar as a source of energy. In the process, they inadvertently transfer pollen from flower to flower, contributing to the essential process of pollination. Butterflies also display a range of courtship behaviors. Males often engage in elaborate aerial displays and territorial behaviors to attract females. Once a mate is chosen, the male and female engage in a mating dance, where the male transfers sperm to the female for fertilization. Caterpillars, on the other hand, have behaviors geared toward feeding, growth, and survival. They exhibit diverse adaptations, such as camouflage, mimicry, or the ability to release toxic substances to deter predators. Some species of caterpillars engage in mutualistic relationships with ants, receiving protection in exchange for providing a sugary secretion known as honeydew. Ecological significance. Butterflies are crucial pollinators in many ecosystems. As they visit flowers in search of nectar, they transfer pollen from the male reproductive parts, stamens, to the female reproductive parts, pistils, of flowers, facilitating fertilization and seed production. This process is vital for maintaining the genetic diversity of plant populations and supporting ecosystem health. Butterflies also play a role as a food source in various food chains. They serve as prey for numerous animals, including birds, bats, reptiles, amphibians, and insects. By providing a source of nutrition for these predators, butterflies contribute to the stability and balance of ecosystems. Cultural significance. Butterflies have long captured the human imagination and hold cultural significance in many societies. They are often associated with beauty, transformation, and freedom. In folklore, butterflies are believed to represent the souls of departed loved ones or symbols of rebirth and metamorphosis. Their delicate and vibrant presence has inspired artists, writers, and poets throughout history. In conclusion, butterflies are mesmerizing creatures that captivate us with their ephemeral beauty and intricate life cycle. Their anatomy, life cycle, behavior, and ecological importance make them subjects of scientific study, artistic expression, and cultural symbolism. Understanding and appreciating butterflies allows us to connect with the wonders of the natural world and the interdependence of species within ecosystems.